Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript coding easily. First, grasp core programming concepts such as variables, data types, and control flow. Next, set up your development environment. This typically involves installing a good code editor like VS Code and using your web browser's developer console. Begin by writing small, interactive code snippets directly in the console to see immediate results and build confidence. This hands-on approach is crucial for early learning. Once you have the basics down, focus on mastering core JavaScript concepts. Dive into functions, which are blocks of reusable code, and explore objects and arrays for organizing data efficiently. Understand control flow statements, including if/else conditions and various loop types, to manage program logic. A great way to solidify this knowledge is by building small, practical projects. Aim for projects that take perhaps 1 to 2 hours to complete. To advance your skills, delve into more complex topics. Asynchronous JavaScript using promises and async/await is vital for handling operations that take time, like fetching data. Understanding the document object model, or DOM, is essential for manipulating web page content dynamically. Leverage the vast array of online resources available, including free tutorials, documentation, and active coding communities. Engaging with others can provide valuable insights and support. Continuous learning is key to becoming proficient. Challenge yourself with larger projects that combine multiple concepts and technologies. Consider contributing to open-source projects or collaborating with other developers. This offers real-world experience and networking opportunities. Always stay updated with the latest JavaScript features and best practices as the language evolves rapidly. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding practice for consistent improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.